Most people online think that you need a complicated AI automation or massive funnel just to make your first dollar online. But that's simply not true. I built a 7-figure marketing agency with over 300 small business clients with one simple service: social media management. In this video, I'll show you a simple 4-step process to earn $500 per client without ads, cold calling, or spending thousands on some high-ticket course. Now, first, we need to set the foundation. In this system, we're going to be helping small business owners. Most of the time, these are people who already have a profitable business, but they just don't post enough on social media. Usually it's because they don't have the time, don't know how, or simply don't realize how much money they could be getting from it. Because of that, they lose a lot of potential customers every single month. What we're going to do is build a simple 90-day social media posting system for them. This system will handle strategic automations and publish content for the next 3 months, and then repeat, helping them make more money from social media while allowing you to charge a monthly fee of $500, an affordable price almost any small business owner can pay. The best part is, this is a recurring service. You're basically creating a plug-and-play system, a full quarter's worth of posts that automatically refresh and repost every 90 days. You build it once, and you can keep charging and getting more clients on monthly retainers without having to maintain it constantly. For this system, you don't need any experience, a team, or to learn overcomplicated processes like running ads. You'll just need one tool that I'll reveal later. But the best part is that I will also give you a way you can use that tool for free. So let's begin with the most important step of this system. Step 1, choosing your niche. But first, if we haven't met yet, I'm Sean's clone. Sean is the current owner of a $4 million per year social media marketing agency that has won awards like the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies, the Go HighLevel Software Award, and many others. So unlike some people who try to teach you stuff online, Sean actively practices what he teaches. And today, I'm here to share his knowledge with you. All I ask is that you like and subscribe if you find this video helpful, or leave a comment if you have any questions. All right, let's move on to step number 1. Choose a niche. A lot of people online make this step sound more complicated than it really is. Choosing a niche is actually simple, as long as you keep a few key things in mind. The first thing is you want to pick a niche where most business owners are not focused on their online presence. So try to avoid digital niches like marketing agencies or automation services. Those kinds of businesses already have strong online systems and want more complex solutions. Instead, focus on small businesses that make money from real-world customers. That could be restaurants, gyms, dental clinics, chiropractors, or even car detailing shops. These types of businesses depend a lot on local visibility. So adding a solid social media presence on top of that can drastically increase their revenue and make it easy for you to show clear results. Another thing is that it helps if you already have some experience or interest in the niche you choose. That gives you better content ideas and makes the work feel natural. But overall, the goal here is simple. Choose a niche that feels both familiar and easy to work with. And if you can't decide, don't overthink it. Just pick one and commit. Once you've done that, we'll move on to step 2. Creating your templates, which is the part that's going to start making you a lot of money. So the first part is doing some simple research. The easiest way to do that is by going on Google Maps. Once you've already decided on your niche, just type it into Google Maps along with a large city. For example, if your niche is restaurants, you can type restaurants Philadelphia. I recommend using a big city because restaurants or any businesses in larger cities usually have stronger social media pages that you can use as good examples. For this example, I found a restaurant called Wilder. When you click on it inside Google Maps, you'll see the business information show up on the left, things like their address, phone number, website, and sometimes even a direct link to their Instagram. If you don't see their Instagram there, just open their website and you'll usually find their links near the top or bottom of the page. Now you can scroll through their feed and look for posts that get good engagement. These are the types of posts that perform best in that niche. When you see a post that looks good, take a quick screenshot of it. You can repeat this process for a few different businesses in your niche. Try to find at least 6 screenshots of different posts that have strong visuals or good engagement. These will be the examples you'll use to make your templates. Once you have those screenshots, the next step is to recreate them as templates you can use later. To do that, go to ChatGPT and upload one of your screenshots. Then simply write a message like this. Create a nano banana prompt that will recreate this image as a clean social media template for your niche. ChatGPT will generate a prompt for you that you can use inside Google AI Studio. After you have your prompt ready, open Google AI Studio. Inside, select the model called Nano Banana. Upload your image and paste the prompt you just got from ChatGPT. Once you run it, the tool will recreate the same design but without any text or brand-specific elements. As you can see, mine turned out pretty good. That means the image will now work as a blank template that can fit any business in your niche. When you're happy with how the image looks, download it to your computer. After that, go to canva.com. Click Templates, then choose Instagram Posts. Select Create from Blank. And once you're inside Canva, upload the image you just downloaded. For me, it's this menu template. Now click on the image and then click Add as Template link. This will save that design as a reusable template inside Canva. From here, you can easily duplicate it and make small edits for any new client. By the end, you should have a small library of templates that look professional and can be reused across different clients in your niche. And this is exactly how your 90-day system stays effortless. Those same templates will rotate and repurpose every few months, so the client's profile always feels active without you needing to start from scratch each time. Now that your templates are ready, we'll move on to step number 3, where we will actually start turning them into something that you can sell. For this step, we're going to be using that secret tool I mentioned called HighLevel. And if you sign up using my link in the description below, you can get a whole month for free, as well as my full Go HighLevel course where I show you exactly how to use it. HighLevel basically has everything you need to grow a social media presence, whether it's for yourself or your clients. It also offers many other features. If you're interested, you can check it out by clicking on this video where I go into more detail. For this video though, we're mainly going to focus on the marketing side of things. Now let me show you exactly how to use it. Once you log in, click into your sub account. On the left-hand side, click Marketing. This is where you'll set up your social media planner to create a new post. Click New Post. Then choose the social media account you want to post on. If your client's account isn't connected yet, you can click this button to connect it. I already have my Facebook account connected, so I'll use that for this example. Next, upload the image you created earlier. As soon as you upload it, you'll see a live preview on the right-hand side showing exactly how the post will look once it's published. Now, one of the biggest reasons I love HighLevel is its built-in AI tools. They make content creation so much easier. You don't even need to write your own captions anymore. You can simply click on AI, then click Generate with AI. A small window will appear asking for a few details. Here's how you fill it out. Under What are you posting about? You can describe the post, for example, new menu launch. For your goal, you can select something like build brand awareness. Then choose how many caption variations you want. I usually pick 3. Click Generate and HighLevel will instantly create multiple caption options for you. Each one includes detailed descriptions, hashtags, and even contact details like your website or email. It's fast, clean, and saves you a ton of time. Pick the caption you like best and click Continue. Then you can choose how you want to post it. For example, on Facebook, you can post it in your feed as a story or as a reel. I'll choose feed for this example. From here, you can either post immediately, schedule it for later, or even set it as a recurring post. This recurring feature is what makes the system so powerful. You're not just scheduling one post, you're scheduling a 90-day cycle that keeps looping. Once it's set up, the content repeats automatically every quarter, keeping your clients consistent without extra effort. And you can do that by simply creating your templates, generating AI captions, and scheduling everything in advance. Once it's all set, the system will post automatically. You don't have to do anything manually. So realistically, setting up a full 90-day posting schedule for a client might take you about 2 hours the first time. Once you get used to it, you can easily do it in under an hour. Now, another great way to improve results for your clients and even increase your own earnings is by using HighLevel's auto comment and DM feature. This feature lets you automatically message people who comment on your client's posts, helping them generate more leads without you doing any extra work. Here's how to set it up. Click on Automation on the left-hand side, then click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch. At first, it might look complicated, but don't worry, it's really simple once you've done it. So now, click on Add New Trigger. A trigger is just an event that starts an action, then search for a comment, and then select either Facebook or Instagram. For this example, we'll use Instagram. Next, under Filter Type, select Exact Match. That just means it will look for one specific keyword in the comment. For this example, let's use the word menu. Click Save Trigger. Now, whenever someone comments menu on your client's Instagram post, it will automatically trigger an action. To add that action, click the plus button, then select Instagram DM. Here's where you can type a quick message. For example, hey, here's your discount code for 10% off our new menu. Thanks for checking it out. Click Save Action. Now this workflow is active. That means every time someone comments menu, HighLevel will instantly send them a message. It's a straightforward but powerful way to help your clients get more customers automatically. But probably the biggest reason I love HighLevel so much is because it also lets you white label it as an entire platform. What that means is you can rebrand it under your own business name and logo. So when your clients log in, it looks like it's your custom software, not HighLevel's. But most importantly, you can choose your own pricing for the software. So potentially you can just build out this process once, white label it as your own software, and then sell it to business owners with everything already set up for whatever pricing you want. When your clients log in, they'll see a tool with your business name on it, which makes you look like you've built your own software platform. And that's a huge credibility boost. It makes you stand out from other freelancers or agencies because your clients will see you as the owner of a whole AI-powered social media system. That's one of the reasons so many successful agencies use it. It lets you offer offer big agency services with minimal setup or cost. Okay, now that you know all the theory behind this process, let's go over how to actually put it into practice and find your first 10 clients so you can already start making up to $5,000 a month with this system. And surprisingly, this is actually the easiest step in the whole process, because here we're going to use the exact same principle that we used before when doing our niche research. So once again, you'll simply head over to Google Maps. Inside the search bar, type in the kind of business you're targeting. It could be restaurants, HVAC companies, roofing companies, beauty salons, gyms, or any other local business that fits your niche. After that, just start clicking on the businesses one by one. You'll see their information pop up, and following the same process as previously, you will want to find their social media accounts. Now, here's what you're looking for. Check if they're posting regularly, and more importantly, if their posts are getting any attention. If you see that they haven't posted in a while, or their content gets very few likes or comments, that's a perfect sign, because that means they probably need help with their social media. When you find a business like that, you're simply going to send them a short outreach message offering to create a few free posts for them. You don't need to overthink this. Keep it simple and friendly. Here's an example outreach message you can use. Hey, business name, I was checking out your page and noticed you're not posting as often lately. I actually help small businesses create social media posts that drive more local attention and new customers. I'd love to make a few free posts for you to show you what's possible. Sound good? You can send this message directly to their accounts or email. After about 30 days of posting consistently for them, you can then offer to keep managing their account for $500 retainer. And honestly, most local businesses are happy to pay that amount because it's affordable, it keeps their pages active, and it actually helps them bring in more customers. So now you know how to earn $10,000 a month or more using this simple system. If you just follow these steps for only a few hours of work, you could already have a ton of clients on retainers and a system that practically runs itself. Imagine having 20 local businesses paying you $500 each month. That's $10,000 every single month, and you're doing it from your laptop, managing everything from one place. And the reason this works so well is because of HighLevel. It's what makes this whole process easier, faster, and smarter. It takes care of the posting, the captions, the automation, all the things that normally take hours, and turns them into simple one-click actions. It's the reason you can run a real business without spending all day managing clients or learning complicated tools. And if you want to go ahead and start using HighLevel completely free for your first month, you can use my link down in the description below. That link gives you a full 30-day free trial, and you'll also get my complete guide that walks you through everything step by step so you can start right away. Go and sign up by clicking the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.